Welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, let's talk about how to earn money in Snapchat. But before I will start, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos. Let's go. Snapchat. Brands may pay you for sponsored content or takeovers of your account to reach your audience. Certainly, here's an elaboration on how you can make money on Snapchat through sponsored content and account takeovers. Sponsored content. Sponsored content on Snapchat involves collaborating with brands or businesses to create and share content that promotes their products or services. These partnerships typically come with compensation, and you'll be responsible for crafting engaging snaps or stories that align with the brand's messaging and resonate with your audience. Account takeovers. Brands may also approach you to temporarily take over your Snapchat account. During this period, the brand's representatives or influencers create and share content directly with your audience. Account takeovers often revolve around specific campaigns or events, and can be a mutually beneficial way for you and the brand to reach new audiences. Building a strong Snapchat presence. To attract brands and monetization opportunities on Snapchat, focus on building a strong and engaged follower base. Regularly post compelling and authentic content that appeals to your target demographic. Consistency and engagement are key to growing your audience. Identifying brand collaborations. Seek out brands or agencies that align with your content and values. Make an effort to reach out to potential partners or join influencer marketing platforms that connect creators with brands looking for Snapchat influencers. Maintaining authenticity. Authenticity is highly valued on Snapchat. Ensure that any sponsored content or takeovers you engage in feel genuine and resonate with your audience. Followers appreciate content that doesn't come across as forced or inauthentic. Clear disclosure. Transparency is essential when working with brands. Clearly disclose when content is sponsored or part of a brand partnership to maintain trust with your audience and comply with advertising guidelines. Engagement and interaction. Actively engage with your Snapchat followers by responding to messages, asking for input, and fostering a sense of community. Increased interaction can boost your credibility and attract more brands seeking to reach an engaged audience. Consistent posting schedule. Establish a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and informed. Consistency can help build anticipation and loyalty among your followers. Experiment with content formats. Snapchat offers various creative tools, including lenses, filters, and stickers. Experiment with these features to make your content more engaging and visually appealing. Innovative and fun content often performs well on the platform. Adapting to platform changes. Stay updated on Snapchat's features, algorithm updates, and emerging trends. Adapting to changes ensures that your content remains relevant and maximizes your monetization opportunities. Leverage Snapchat Discover. Snapchat Discover is a feature where selected publishers and influencers can share premium content. If you have the opportunity to be part of Discover, it can provide a consistent revenue stream. Creating engaging, high-quality content that appeals to a broad audience is essential for success on this platform. Audience feedback and customization. Pay attention to audience feedback and preferences. Use this input to tailor your content and partnerships to better serve your followers. By addressing their needs and interests, you can foster stronger connections and increase your monetization opportunities. That's all, folks. Hope you learned something new about how to earn money in Snapchat. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our latest upload in our channel.